Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to block or unblock a number on iPhone for your iOS 17, okay? So the first thing you want to do is open the phone app right there and just simply choose a person or a number you want to block. For example, this guy right here. As an example, I'm just going to block him. So this button right there, the red one, that's the one you're looking for. Click block right there, black contact. So it's technically blocked. So from here on out, you can also unblock this caller specifically, but for example, I've blocked for let's say 2 people. Okay, I don't want to look for them specifically just to unblock them. I have another option for you guys to check your unblock or blocked list. Okay, so head over to settings right here and then simply look for contacts. Once you look for contacts, as you can see, there isn't any list right there. Next one is go to phone. And at the bottom, there's gonna be a block contacts over here. Click on open, and as you can see right here, I have a lot of black contacts for you. So from here now, you can just simply choose a number, click on unblock, and you're good to go. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.